Hi, how's it going? Hetty here. Today I'm making for you Parmesan garlic potatoes. Now what I have here are the small little potatoes. You could probably do it with the bigger potatoes, but these are the preferred ones. So I washed them and I cut them in half. And you could make a few incisions, but you don't have to. Anyway, what I'm going to do is in this bowl here, I'm going to put some oil. And I have garlic and parsley here in my trusty little mini chopper. I'm going to put about a cup of Parmesan cheese and a little sprinkle, about a half a teaspoon of paprika, not a lot. If you want, you could put some salt and pepper. I don't put too much salt because the cheese is salty enough. And so what I do is I put the potatoes in. And then I take a little bit of this. I sprinkled some oil on the pan, and I sprinkled some, a little bit more cheese. So altogether, I'd say it's about a cup and a half of cheese. Get these lumps out. Okay, mix this around until it's mixed well. It smells good. Hey, grated cheese smells good anywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the potato, make sure you got enough cheese on it, like that. Place it face down on the pan. Whoop. You could put them close together if you want. The cheese kind of melts and you could separate them, but it gets crunchy and that's what you want.
It makes like a Parmesan chip.
Well, actually, you could smash them if you want and make Parmesan chips.
I mean, the cheese in between turns into little chips.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it'll turn out to be. My hands are always clean. I always wash my hands before I start. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this in a preheated 400 oven, and I'll be back in about 35 minutes. Put it in the middle shelf. Okay. Be back. So I took them out of the oven and they were in there for 35 minutes. See how crispy? I'm going to take this little guy here. Look at that. Isn't that great? This cheese is so crunchy. I hope you try it. It only takes 5-10 minutes to put it together. You cook it in the oven and voila. Till next time, bon appetit.